everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change the air filter for a Toyota Prius 2012. Make sure you have the latch there secure. Anyway, it's pretty easy. There's 4 pins, you just need to push up. Not 2 pins, 2 pins. And there it is. Easy peasy. Remove that. And using this brand, and this is my replacement here. It's a from Toyota 11426. Make sure I get the right one here. So they're the same size. Yeah, this is the same size. Right, so it's pretty simple. Just put it in there. Doing this with one hand. Just push that down. Come on, come on. Alright, it's in. And there you go. That's good. Okay. So it's in. See, it's all the way in. There's no gap in between. And it's locked tight. Right. So that's how you change the air filter for a Honda Prius. I'm using this Fram filter 11426. Right, that's it. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. I hope this helped. I'll see you next time. Goodbye. Have a nice day.